My name is Helena Froese. I am from Seminole, Texas. It was an amazing experience when you kind of have no hope and you find this place. So it was, I would say altogether, a great experience. Painful at times, but with healing and everything, so that is to be expected with surgery. So no, it was a great experience here. Dr. Illerhaus was my surgeon, and I had 3 discs replaced on my lower back. We heard about ONZ through my brother. He had his first lower back surgery here 10 years ago and another neck surgery here last year, and both have been a great outcomes, and he learned from family friend from Canada. So through his life or his experience here, we figured this would be the best route for us as well. I think it's great that we had a week in the hospital to heal up before going to rehab. The transition was great. The physical therapy, the massage has been amazing. It really helps with the tension and everything. So we've had a great experience. And so far I have no complaints. Every day gets a little bit better. So we're very pleased with our choice of coming here. I did have throbbing pain down my right side arm and leg and lower back. And that throbbing pain is gone. I mean, there's tension, of course, with the nerves and everything. When you work out, you can feel it, but my pain is pretty much localized where my surgery was, so it's a healing pain. So yes, it's a big difference. I would. I guess for me, this surgery was a better alternative to what we had been offered, fusing, and I know that has to happen sometimes too, but this was the only option here. So I would recommend it. It was a good turnout. I have proof with my brother. He's doing great. So I would recommend it to anyone. Yes, I am looking forward to a lot of things. I have a new grandbaby, so I'm looking forward to running around with him as he grows, and with more grandbabies hopefully in the future. We're very involved with our church community, and so that with our church youth and everything, so that includes being active. So yeah, I think everything looks positive from here.